Greetings and welcome to Ministry Web Designing. Today our tutorial is we're gonna talk about how to create additional pages as well as adding those to a menu and submenus. Okay, first thing you want to do, you want to go to your website, go to your login page, which should be something similar to this. Your credentials are provided to you once we turn the website over to you. So the first thing we're going to do, let's go ahead and log in to your account. Okay, so once we're logged in, you should see your dashboard it should look just like this or similar to this. Okay, the first thing you want to do, I just want to look here. If you go to the top left hand menu, we're going to go ahead and just visit the site. And what I mean by menus and submenus, adding pages. You can add pages, as many pages as you want. It's really your preference. But this is the menu I'm talking about. Okay, so what we want to do, we're going to add something to this menu, but we're going to use adding a page concept to do that. So you go back to your dashboard, and once you go to the dashboard, just click on Add New Page. And for practical purposes, we're going to call this Practice Page. Okay, so once you type the title of the page you desire, just go ahead and click Publish and make sure it's completely published. Okay, and it says the practice page is live now. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go here and we're going to find practice page, which is right here. Okay, now I want to go back to the top. Just because I put the page there doesn't mean it's going to add it to the menu. So what we're going to do, I want to do a couple things to this page. So I want to go back to my dashboard. Let's click on Page, All Pages, and we want to find that practice page. Okay, so here's the practice page here. We're going to click on Edit. Okay, and you remember, looked like something popped up on my screen. Let's see if we can get rid of this. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is your editing program for your web page. So we're going to edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click on that, and this will be the first time we actually open the page to edit. Okay, so that's the practice page, but there's no content here. So practical purposes, I'm just going to add sections in here. And normally what happens here, when you create that page and you want to add content to it, this is one of the most important things I want you to understand. So once you put those two columns there, you notice it's kind of offset here a little bit. It looks like this is the main section and this is the columns in that section. So it's kind of offset. So we want to center that, and the reason why is when the device is responsive, when it goes to a vertical, it's going to overlap and push to the left side of your page from a mobile device. So we don't want that to happen. So the best thing to do, anytime you're editing a section, just click on the part you want to edit, which I'm going to click here. And you notice this box shows up. And then what we want to do, not this part. We want to go here. We want to edit columns. And then where it says horizontal, remember horizontal is across, we want to center. Okay, let's hit. Okay, so, I apologize. Let's go back. Let's put this back to default. We want that top one because we want everything within that column to be centered. So now we're going to hit center, and you notice it adjusted. It pushed to the center. So just remember in this edit the column, and then on your horizontal line you want to hit center so this can center. So okay, so we pretty much center. So since we are in this page, I want to go ahead and cover how to add a video to a page, so we won't have to create another tutorial video for that. So this will knock everything out at once. Okay, so now if I want text content here, all I need to do is you go up here to your windows, and it's going to drop your icons where you can drop and drag. So I want to add text, so you put text right here. We're going to put it in that column, and we're just going to put some information in there. This is for the new page. Okay, and again, you can add whatever content you want there, and then you got control of the color of the fonts and everything. Okay, all right, and for this purpose, I'm going to go ahead and change that to white. You just click on style. Remember, style is always going to be, it's going to change the colors and stuff for your particular content. Okay, so I just moved that palette picker to white, and then all I'm gonna do is hit update. Okay, so remember, that's the left column, and I want to put video in the right column. So, and again, you go back up to the little squares, and then you grab video. Okay, and all that is, that's a default video, so you don't have to click on that and choose it and read it or whatever, or look at it. Our purpose is, if you want to put a YouTube video here, all you need to do is go get your YouTube link and put it in this spot, and it would actually put that video that you want to display on your web page there. Or you can go to VMO. You can do the same thing. Just click on VMO, and you go get your VMO video. You can place it right in that spot. Or you can go to Dailymotion, same exact thing. You put your Dailymotion link there, your video display there. Or you can go self-host. Now what a self-host is that you choose your own video. And it's really simple. All you got to do is click on here, put your video in, insert, voila, and it puts that video in there. So that's when you want to put your own self-hosted video, a video that you created yourself. Okay, so that covers the video portion of it. And then there's other options you can, if you wanted a screen poster makeover, in other words, instead of having the video show up like this, using the video thumbnail, you can actually go find your own cover to put on here. Okay, so there's a lot of options there. So we're going to go ahead and click update because we don't want this tutorial video to be too long. Okay, so now remember we created this page, so we're going to go back out. You just go to the hamburger bar, that's what we call it. Drop it down. We're going to exit the dashboard. Now the cool thing we're going to do now, we want to take this page and we want to make it, put it into the menu. Well, sound like our video's playing back there. Okay, so let's go. There we go. That got rid of that. Okay, so basically what's happening now, we want to go to, and we're going to add this practice page that we created, which is really an additional page. We want to add it to the menu now. So what we want to do now is when you go to appearance, go down to menu, and again, I'll do that one more time. We already know that this is the practice new page that we added. We want to add that particular page to our menu. So we're going to go to appearance on your left hand menu, go down and choose menu. You click on menu, and then this the cool thing. See where that practice page is? All you got to do is put a check mark there, add it to your menu. Okay, so what happens, you can position this anywhere you want. So if you want it to be before the contact page in your menu, just go up and make sure that everything's aligned straight across. That means that that's going to be your top level menu. So I'm going to hit Save Menu. Once I save that menu, I'm going to go to the website. And here we go. And there's our practice page. We just added a new page to our website. Okay, so I can click on it, and it's going to take me directly to our new page. Okay, all right, got it. Very simple. Now I want to show you how to make this a sub menu. In other words, if you wanted to add it to a existing top level menu and you want it to be beneath this, what we're going to do, we're going to go back, and you notice if you're on your website, you can go up to the left hand side. It gives you the right option to go straight into the four areas of your editing or your management. So you just click on menus. And once you click on menus, what we're going to do, we're going to add that as a sub menu under frequently asked questions. So what I do, I take this practice page and I go just beneath it. And you know how it's indented? That's what you want. What that does, it makes it a sub menu. So if you look here, it says practice page sub item. I'm going to hit save. And once I hit save, I can go back to my website. And if you notice, the practice page is no longer on the top level, but if I clicked on frequent asked questions, there we are. That's a sub page. I can click on that and it'll take me to my page. So what I've done, I showed you how to create a brand new page. I'd show you how to add the content to the page. I showed you how to add a video to the page and some of the other options within the video cycle of it. And then I turned around, I showed you how to add it to your top level menu, which we had practice page in between here. And then I showed you how to make a sub menu, which I went into menu and dropped it beneath the main menu option. And that was it. Okay, that's it. All in a nutshell. So if you have any questions, you by all means, you can actually go to the contact us page, and just address your concerns, and then we will respond. Hey, y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you, and appreciate your time.